All right, I hope you guys enjoy the course. Give us something to look at while I'm yammering here. This is something I did on a plane a few weeks ago. So it's an amazing tool, and I was a longtime fan of like Wacom tablets and Photoshop and all that, and most of the industry is still. I don't think they've caught up yet. I don't think they've realized how powerful this tool is, because iPads are everywhere, and for a price of a decent lunch somewhere, you got this amazing software that has so much flexibility. And I hope I fix this arm in a second. I think you guys are gonna see me fix this arm in a second. but yeah, it's been a lot of fun for me. I enjoy doing these courses, and if you want to learn more, I've got a lot of other courses at coloringcomics.com, mostly coloring focus, which is my primary job function. But I have a Patreon, I have a YouTube channel with, as of right now, 150 something tutorials. I started doing Procreate tutorials in the last couple of months, but a lot of the Photoshop techniques will carry right over. I think that was one of the things that I liked the most, was I didn't have to completely, relearn 1,000 different things to just use the software. I could just jump right in and get started, and I hope you guys can too. And so yeah, thanks so much for joining me on this adventure here with Procreate, and we'll see you guys around. Take care.